2020 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.